Modern airspace is hostile. A drone entering a contested zone today navigates an interlocking grid of advanced radar, electronic warfare, and kinetic interceptors. These systems are designed to swat traditional platforms from the sky before they even spot their target. To see where these platforms fail, we are running a simulation, the Gauntlet. The parameters are brutal. A 100-kilometer sprint through heavily defended airspace, carrying a dense 10-kilogram payload. 5 different propulsion architectures will attempt the run. First, the Ghost, a pure electric, battery-powered platform. Then the Workhorse, running on a standard internal combustion engine and heavy liquid fuel. Our third competitor is the Missile, a drone strapped to a micro-turbojet engine built for velocity. Finally, we have the Alchemist, powered by a high-efficiency hydrogen fuel cell, and the Shapeshifter, a parallel hybrid combining a gas engine with an electric motor. Surviving this simulation requires an engineering solution that overcomes the specific vulnerabilities an intelligent defense grid is designed to exploit. The Gauntlet begins. Immediately, that 10-kilogram payload demands immense lift, heavily taxing the power supplies in the early minutes of flight. The Ghost is the first casualty. Barely a third of the way there, its batteries run dry and it drops out of the sky. This chart shows why the Ghost failed. Lithium-ion batteries hit a hard physical ceiling around 300 watt-hours per kilogram. Liquid hydrocarbons pack immensely more energy into the exact same weight. Carrying a heavy payload further on pure electricity requires a larger battery, which adds massive weight to the airframe. The drone then needs more thrust just to lift its power supply, draining the battery faster. It is a thermodynamic death spiral. While electric propulsion is silent, its strict thermodynamic limitations make it non-viable for heavy-lift, long-endurance missions. Out over the mid-course, the remaining platforms press on. The Workhorse uses its liquid fuel reserves to maintain a steady altitude, while the micro-turbojet missile is blazing ahead at over Mach 0.6. Without warning, a surface-to-air missile streaks up from the terrain and vaporizes the missile. Maintaining transonic speeds requires a turbojet to burn massive fuel volumes. This violent combustion exhausts a glowing thermal plume, a beacon for infrared tracking systems. Minutes later, the defense grid targets and destroys the Workhorse as well. Pistons firing thousands of times a minute generate intense mechanical vibrations and a distinct acoustic profile. Ground-based sensors track these specific engine frequencies from miles away. High-density fuels solve the endurance problem, but the reliance on internal explosions to stay aloft inherently destroys a platform's stealth. We are down to the Alchemist and the Shapeshifter. They are entering the most deeply guarded sector of the Gauntlet, which requires rapid, violent maneuvers to dodge active radar sweeps. The Alchemist detects a radar ping and attempts a sharp dive. It responds sluggishly, fails to clear the beam, and is instantly eliminated. Look at the power output on this graph. Hydrogen fuel cells are remarkably efficient, but they produce soft power. A heavy drone forced into a sudden defensive maneuver requires an instantaneous burst of peak thrust that the chemical conversion inside a fuel cell cannot provide. The Shapeshifter survives by adapting. Precisely before entering the radar zone, it shuts down its gas engine. It switches the entire propulsion load to an onboard electric battery, delivering the exact power spike required for the maneuver in total silence. By utilizing a dual architecture, the parallel hybrid effectively decouples endurance from stealth, allowing it to adapt to immediate environmental threats. The Shapeshifter glides across the finish line completely undetected. The energy management system, the algorithmic brain coordinating the platform, ultimately secured this victory. This schematic shows the EMS in action. Multiple times a second, it calculates the battery state of charge, liquid fuel economy, and immediate stealth requirements, dynamically balancing the load between the engine and the motor. This algorithmic decision-making allows the drone to drop its physical heat and sound signatures to zero on demand. Intelligent systems define the future of autonomous flight by balancing the brute force of hydrocarbons with the invisibility of electric power.